Verifying your bank account on Broadridge is an important process to ensure secure transactions and accurate account management. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Access your Broadridge account. Log into your Broadridge account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to the bank account section. Once logged in, locate the section for bank account management. This is typically found under account settings or payment options. Step 3. Enter your bank information. Input your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 4. Submit verification requests. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm test deposit. Check your bank account for the test deposit from Broadridge. Once you see the deposit, return to your Broadridge account and enter the amount to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully verified on Broadridge. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Broadridge customer support for assistance.